my vintage statements. We've got this awesome vanity and chair, or it could be used as a desk. What we're going to do is we're going to take the hardware off, rough it up a little bit, and then we're going to paint it with our Dixie Belle paint. We've got the Mason Dixon gray that we're going to do it. We're going to recover the chair top into a different fabric that matches it instead of that mustard yellow color. It's going to turn out great, so follow us along as we take through all the steps.
Alright, we're ready for round 2. Alright, it's all painted. Now what we're going to use is our Dixie Belle Clear Coat Flat. Put it on all the product here, and then we'll get some hardware on and get this under the tree. Oh yeah, I still have to reupholster the seat, so a little bit left, but not too bad. So let's begin. Alright, it's complete. We've got it done. Got the upholstery on the seat. Got the hardware on. Now it's up for sale. So if you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and check out our website, Our Vintage Statements. Maybe I'll keep it.